Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare tube amp versus solid-state amplifier technologies. We'll delve into how each type generates sound, exploring the fundamental differences between vacuum tubes and transistors. Understanding these core distinctions is crucial for appreciating their unique sonic characteristics. We'll then examine their historical evolution and set the stage for a detailed comparison of tone, upkeep, and expense, helping you make an informed decision for your musical journey. Tube amplifiers are celebrated for their distinctive warmth and organic feel. They produce a rich, harmonically complex sound that many musicians adore, especially when pushed into natural overdrive. This unique saturation adds character and depth, making every note feel alive. Furthermore, tube amps offer incredible dynamic response, allowing for nuanced expression where subtle changes in playing touch can significantly alter the tone and volume, providing a truly interactive experience. Solid-state amplifiers offer a different set of advantages, primarily known for their pristine clarity and consistent performance. They deliver a clean, high-fidelity sound that remains stable across various volume settings, from whisper-quiet practice to full-stage volumes. These amps are also incredibly reliable, requiring minimal maintenance compared to their tube counterparts, as there are no delicate tubes to replace. Many models also boast extensive digital effects and amp modeling, offering a vast palette of sounds in one convenient package. When choosing between tube and solid-state amplifiers, consider your musical style and the specific tonal qualities you seek. If you crave classic warmth and dynamic response, a tube amp might be ideal, though they typically cost more and require more upkeep. For pristine cleans, reliability, and versatility, a solid-state amp could be your perfect match, often at a more accessible price point. Ultimately, the best approach is to play through both types to discover which truly resonates with your unique sound.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.